The dense Hyrcanian forests, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, are home to some of Iran's most endangered species. The Persian leopard, one of the rarest and most elusive predators, is the silent ghost of the forest. With a powerful build, rosette-patterned fur, and razor-sharp eyes, it moves soundlessly through thick undergrowth. It hunts at dawn and dusk, preying mainly on wild boars, deer, and occasionally livestock, though it usually avoids humans.